Hey guys, what's up? It's Not Super Nicole here, and today I'll be testing out the stained glass flowers made from nail polish and wire. Hey. Hey. Yeah, my hair is wet because I just got out of the shower, and my niece is here, and she's climbing me. You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? Say hi? Say hi? So, I'm just going to be testing them out in this video. It's not really a tutorial, but you can follow what I'm doing. So yeah, let's get on into the video.
So I have a few ideas of how I'm going to try and accomplish this. I'm going to start with a gel top coat, just a clear, because I feel like that makes the most sense to me because I can cure it immediately and I don't have to wait for it to dry, and I feel like that will make it a lot easier to get the petal. So I'm going to try that. So the first thing you need to do is actually make the petals. So I have this really thin jewelry wire and just some pliers, and I'm just going to try and make a flower shape. So this is the best flower shape I can get. I did change to a different wire. It's a little thicker than this one was, and it was a lot easier to shape, but this is still the best I can get. But I'm gonna try to work with it, so because I don't want to try again unless I have to. So let's see if we can make the petals.
Okay, so I just noticed that apparently my phone didn't record the part where I showed you how I made the petals. As you will see later on in the video, my phone was being really weird and it wasn't recording well. But basically what I did was I did try and just paint over the wire with the polish as they said to do. Did not work. Not surprised. Didn't think it would. So I took a nail form, just one I got off of Amazon, but just parchment paper would probably work, just something non-stick, and I put some gel polish in between the wire, cured it, and repeated. And I did a few coats to make it like pretty thick and sturdy, but it was really easy. Sorry, I don't have footage of it. It's annoying, I know, but that's how I did it.
Okay, so I now have the petals done. I just have to clean up the edges, and then I guess we'll get the color on. It's not, I don't know if you can see, completely smooth, but hopefully, like, see, there's a little bit like air bubbles, but hopefully once we get the color on, that won't be a problem. But this is where we're at so far, and honestly, besides the wonky shape, which is my bad, but like if you hold it this way, it looks okay. Okay, so I have just cleaned up the edges. So now I'm gonna color it. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to use this blue, kind of iridescent-ish nail powder to color this.
so that it's really transparent. So I am going to do that. Okay, so I did 3 coats of the nail powder to get it to this color and opacity. As you can see, you can still see through it a bit. And the color is not completely opaque, but I kind of like it. And when the light catches it a certain way, it is very blue and it's very shiny, and I am actually quite into it. And I think I'm going to find a little gem to put. I'm going to use one of these because I think it would match really well. And I don't have a yellow one, which is what I wanted, but I think that'll look good. Okay, so I'm going to use 3 of these gems. What? I'm totally out of frame. 3 of these gems in the center because it's a little bumpy. Because I also have, excuse, stop it, stop being a jerk, these, but I think they are way too big, so I'm gonna do 3 of the smaller ones because one, hang on, I will get it, flip, got it. Okay, one, okay, so I am done. It's actually really pretty, still a little wonky, but that's okay. I think it's actually really cute, and I mean, it worked. Not quite the method they said, but that's okay because I did not think that method would work, but this is actually really, really cute. I'm not sure I would have the patience to make a bracelet out of these like they did, but it is really pretty, so I might make more of these. I might try a bracelet or like a necklace or a headband, maybe? I don't know. Let me know if you'd like to see me make either jewelry or a headband out of these. And if so, let me know what you want to see me make. Dropping it. Turn this into a ring. I might do that, actually. I don't know. Alright, well, this was a success. This was a success. Goodness gracious. Oh, let's hang on. That's pretty. Oh yeah. That's really cool looking. It's late. I'm tired. Okay. This worked. This is pretty. I like this. You should do this if you want to. If you don't, then don't. But if you want to, it's pretty. Awesome. Okay, bye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see me make anything out of the flowers. And leave any video suggestions down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and don't let the door hit you on the way out. See ya!